Hello and welcome to the TxDialer demo. This is the home page for TX Contact, Interlink's omnichannel contact center suite. Clicking on this TxDialer button takes you to the login screen for TxDialer. This is the login form for TxDialer. You can log in using a variety of different methods, including your Windows or Google credentials. I'm going to enter my credentials and we will proceed to the home screen. This is the home page for TxDialer. First, let's take a look at the campaign listing page. As you can see, there are two campaigns already created listed here, NJ and NY, for New Jersey and New York. Now let's see how to create a new campaign. Click on the plus icon here to launch the new campaign wizard. Let's name the new campaign as Demo and assign it to the pre-connect mode. Then click Add to create the new campaign. When you come back to the campaign's listing page, you will see that the new campaign is added to the list. Now let me go to the demo campaign settings and show the different modes and campaign options that are available. The different modes for dialing are Auto Dialer, Predictive, Pre-Connect, Post-Connect, and the Preview Dialing mode. You can change the mode of dialing anytime on the fly by coming to this page, changing the desired mode, and hitting the Save button. Now let's import a set of contacts stored in a CSV file on my computer. For that, I go to the Contacts page here and use the Import option to import contacts from a saved file. TxDialer has a great feature which allows you to preview the list of contacts and select the ones that you want to add from the file. Here we will check All and click Import to add all the contacts from the file. As seen on this page, all the selected contacts were imported. There are other ways to import contacts as well. For example, if you have a bulk set of contacts and want to filter them for a specific campaign, you can use the Filtered Import feature. It's here under the Campaigns tab. We can define the different sets of rules for importing the contacts to specific campaigns using the Manage filters here. So for this contact list, I have a column titled Location, and I have configured it saying that all contacts with the NJ location will be filtered into the NJ CMP0015 campaign, and when the location is NY, import the contacts to the NY campaign. So now let's use this method of importing for that same original file. We can filter the NJ and NY contacts into the proper campaigns immediately right from the import. After filtering the list, the results will show how many contacts qualify to be filtered by the two rules we assigned before. 2 contacts were filtered into New Jersey, and 2 contacts were filtered into New York. Now let's finish the import. By clicking here, you can see the 2 contacts that were filtered into the NJ campaign. Similarly, you can see the 2 contacts filtered into the NY campaign. Now let's go through the different options we have in the campaign settings. These are the settings for the demo campaign we created. For any campaign, you can configure a DNC list so only authorized numbers are called. You can also create a set of custom dispositions by going to this page. Then select it back on the campaigns page so that the agents will see the dispositions. The different contact fields are found here. Every contact can be configured with up to 3 phone fields. If the agent failed to reach the customer on the first phone field, they'll move on to the second and then the third fields to try to reach the customer. Similarly, from the contact fields, you can collect the values of up to 3 columns and make them references so they'll be part of the report. For example, locations could be added into the reports by adding location to one of the references. This was a short tutorial for TxDialer. Thank you for watching.